When you're out in the wild, the right cooking gear can make all the difference. If you're preparing a quick breakfast before hitting the trail or cooking a full meal around the campfire, having reliable, durable, and efficient tools makes outdoor cooking a whole lot easier. So in today's video, I'm breaking down the 20 best camping cooking gear that stand out for their build quality, convenience, and performance. Let's jump into the list. Number 1. The Tybros Camping Cookware Kit Set. The Tybros Cookware Kit is designed for campers who want a complete and lightweight setup without sacrificing durability. It comes with 17 pieces, all made from non-toxic aluminum that's resistant to high temperatures, scratches, and corrosion. Weighing just 2.4 pounds, it's easy to carry whether you're backpacking or car camping. The kit also includes heat-resistant, non-slip handles, making it safer to cook over open flames. And with a 1-year warranty, it's a dependable choice for anyone who wants an all-in-one cooking solution out on the trail. Number 2. Fire Maple Fixed Star 1 Camp Cooking Stove. If you prefer fast and efficient cooking on the go, the Fire Maple Fixed Star 1 is a compact stove worth looking at. It runs on propane, butane, or isobutane, giving you flexibility depending on your fuel availability. With a maximum heat output of 7,500 British thermal unit, it boils water quickly and performs well even in cooler outdoor conditions. Its lightweight aluminum build, coming in at just 18 ounces, makes it ideal for backpackers who want serious heating power without carrying extra weight. Number 3. Free Hiker Camping Kitchen Utensil Set. This 27-piece utensil set from Free Hiker is perfect for campers who like to keep their cooking tools organized and ready for anything. The set is made from high-quality stainless steel, offering durability and long-lasting use even with frequent outdoor cooking. The entire kit weighs 1.86 kilograms, so it's best suited for campers who want a complete kitchen setup, great for family trips or RV camping. The included carrying case makes it easy to store, transport, and keep everything neatly arranged. Number 4. Ogre 2-Burner Foldable Camping Stove. When you need more cooking flexibility, the Ogre 2-Burner Stove provides 2 separate cooking surfaces powered by propane. Each burner reaches up to 10,000 British thermal unit, giving you plenty of heat for frying, boiling, or simmering multiple dishes at once. Built from stainless steel, it's sturdy yet portable at 5.7 pounds, and it folds up for easy transport. If you're preparing meals for a group or just want a full outdoor cooking experience, this 2-burner design offers plenty of versatility. Number 5. Vevor Folding Campfire Grill. If you prefer cooking over a real flame, the Vevor Folding Campfire Grill is an excellent addition to your camping setup. It features a grill and griddle combo, giving you plenty of cooking options over charcoal or wood. Made from premium alloy steel, it offers durability and a 250.88 square inch cooking surface, which is great for groups. The automatic lid lock adds a layer of convenience, and the whole unit is built to handle rugged outdoor use. At 10 pounds, it's solid but still portable, and backed by a 3-year warranty, which is a big plus for long-term reliability. Number 6. Ivtifu Rolling Grill Basket. The Ivtifu Rolling Grill Basket is a great add-on for campers who love cooking directly over an open flame. Made from durable stainless steel, this cylinder-shaped basket lets you roast veggies, meat, or even small snacks evenly without worrying about anything falling into the fire. Its 1.9-liter capacity is perfect for small to medium portions, and the 304 stainless steel lid keeps everything safely contained. It's an excellent way to get that smoky, fire-grilled flavor while keeping your setup simple and easy to manage. Number 7. StanSport Egg Container. If you've ever arrived at camp with cracked eggs, the StanSport egg container solves that problem instantly. This compact and portable carrier is made from durable plastic and holds up to 12 eggs securely. The lockable design keeps everything in place, and at just 0.1 pounds, it's extremely lightweight. The egg-shaped compartments protect each egg individually, making it a must-have for campers who want fresh breakfast ingredients without the mess. Plus, it comes with a 1-year warranty for peace of mind. Number 8. GCI Outdoor Folding Cook Station. For campers who want a full outdoor kitchen feel, the GCI Outdoor Folding Cook Station brings a lot of convenience. This sturdy unit supports up to 48 pounds, giving you space for stoves, cookware, and prep items. The aluminum top and alloy steel frame offer stability, while the folding design makes it easy to pack and transport. At 18.9 pounds, it's best suited for car camping, RV trips, or group outings, where you want a comfortable and organized cooking setup. Number 9. QMH Collapsible Cutting Board. The QMH Collapsible Cutting Board is a clever space-saving tool designed for campers who want functionality without extra bulk. Made from BPA-free polypropylene and thermoplastic rubber, it's safe, odorless, and resistant to cracking or deformation. Weighing only 1.3 pounds, it converts from a flat cutting board into a collapsible wash bin, making it ideal for prepping meals and cleaning up afterward. Its rectangular shape and durable design make it a versatile addition to any camp kitchen. Number 10. Meeker Fire Color Changing Packets. If you want to add some fun and ambiance to your campfire, the Meeker Fire Color Changing Packets create bright blue, green, and yellow flames when tossed into natural wood fires. Each pack contains 25 grams of color-changing ingredients, and you can buy them in 12-pack, 24-pack, or 48-pack options depending on your needs. They don't affect the burn quality of the fire. They just enhance the experience with vibrant, colorful flames that make evenings outdoors more memorable. Number 11. KitchenAid Can and Bottle Opener. The KitchenAid Can and Bottle Opener is built with high-quality stainless steel, giving it the strength to cut through tough lids without bending or dulling. The cutting wheel is sharp and precise, which helps create clean edges so you avoid jagged metal around the rim. It's incredibly lightweight at 0.28 pounds, so it barely takes up any space in your pack. Since it comes in a variety of colors, it's easy to match it with the rest of your camping utensils and spot it quickly when you're digging through your gear. Number 12. KitchenAid Silicone Pot Holder. The KitchenAid Silicone Pot Holder combines cotton, polyester, and silicone to give you a durable, flexible, and heat-resistant barrier between your hand and your cookware. The silicone exterior provides excellent grip, which is especially useful when lifting hot lids, pans, or metal mugs that can easily slip when wet. Since it's waterproof and slip-resistant, you won't have to worry about sudden steam or moisture reducing your control while cooking. Despite its strong protective build, it weighs only 3.2 ounces, making it incredibly packable. And because these come in many colors, they fit nicely into any outdoor kit. Number 13. Melt Candle Company Fire Starter. The Melt Candle Company Fire Starter is designed to make that process quick and stress-free. These tumbleweed-style starters are made from a mix of wax and sawdust, giving them the ability to ignite easily and maintain a long, steady burn. Because they're weather-resistant, you can rely on them regardless of the season. At 2.76 pounds, the container gives you a generous supply that can last through multiple camping trips. If you want to cut down the hassle of fire starting, this is a reliable piece of gear to keep in your pack. Number 14. Coletti Classic Coffee Percolator. For many campers, a warm cup of coffee in the morning is the best part of the trip. And the Coletti Classic Coffee Percolator is built for that exact moment. Made from enameled steel, this percolator is designed to withstand campfire heat while distributing warmth evenly for a full, rich brew. Its generous 72-ounce capacity makes it ideal for groups, families, or anyone who wants multiple cups without brewing several batches. If coffee is part of your camping routine, this percolator offers that authentic, old-fashioned brewing experience with modern durability. Number 15. Easy Hoozy Kitchen Gadgets Set. When you want versatility without packing a full kitchen drawer, the Easy Hoozy Kitchen Gadgets Set brings multiple useful tools together in one compact bundle. Made from ABS plastic and stainless steel, the set is designed to be both durable and lightweight. Everything inside is BPA-free and non-toxic, which adds peace of mind when preparing meals outdoors. At just 220 grams, the set doesn't add unnecessary weight, and the ergonomic ABS handles make each tool comfortable to use. Number 16. RedCamp Outdoor Stove Windscreen. When you're cooking outdoors, even a light breeze can affect the flame on your stove and dramatically increase your fuel usage. The RedCamp Outdoor Stove Windscreen helps solve that problem with a lightweight yet durable aluminum design. Weighing only 8.8 ounces, it's extremely portable and folds down flat, making it easy to slip into your pack. It's compatible with gas stoves, wood-burning stoves, and liquefied petroleum setups, so you can use it with almost any cooking system you prefer. Number 17. Gas One GS 3400P. Propane or butane stove. The Gas One GS 3400P is designed for campers who want versatility without complication. This stove can run on both propane and butane, giving you flexibility depending on what fuel you have available. Built with alloy steel and metal, it offers durability while remaining lightweight at just 3.1 pounds. The design includes automatic ignition, easy flame adjustment, and a safety shutoff system that prevents irregular pressure buildup. If you're boiling water, simmering meals, or using it during a power outage, this stove delivers strong and reliable performance. Number 18. Mountain House Backpacking and Camping Food. For days when you need something quick, convenient, and lightweight, Mountain House camping foods are a go-to option for many outdoor enthusiasts. These freeze-dried meals come in multiple flavors, all packaged in durable pouches that are easy to store and carry. Simply add hot water, wait a few minutes, and you've got a full meal ready to eat. No cleanup required. They're perfect for backpackers who want to keep their pack light while still enjoying satisfying meals on the trail. Number 19. Kelty Camp Kitchen Organizer. Keeping your cooking tools organized can make your entire camping experience smoother, and the Kelty Camp Kitchen Organizer is built exactly for that. Made from durable 600D polyester, it's rugged, weather-resistant, and built to handle outdoor use. Despite being extremely lightweight at 0.44 pounds, it offers enough space to store utensils, spices, small tools, and other kitchen essentials. The waterproof construction keeps your items protected, even if the weather turns. It's ideal for campers who like an organized setup, everything neatly stored, quickly accessible, and easy to pack up when it's time to head home. Number 20. Otoland Camping Cookware Set. If you're looking for a fully loaded cooking kit, the Otoland Camping Cookware Set is one of the most complete options on the market. It includes a 1.9-liter pot, a 0.86-liter frying pan, a 0.8-liter kettle, 2 stainless steel cups with silicone protectors, plates, utensils, storage bags, a cleaning cloth, and more. 15 pieces total. The pot, pan, and kettle are made from anodized aluminum, which is lightweight, non-toxic, and wear-resistant. They heat up quickly and efficiently, though it's recommended to avoid metal utensils to protect the coating. And that wraps up the 20 best camping cooking gear worth considering for your next outdoor adventure. Each item on this list brings something unique, whether you're looking for compact cookware, versatile stoves, durable utensils, or simple tools that make camp life easier. I've included the links in the description, so feel free to check them out if you want to learn more or grab one for your next trip.